All right, as you guys can see, I am down $610 for the day. I was up $6 if you guys saw my Instagram story, and then now I'm down $610. It's just been a back and forth all day, and I took 6 trades, have a 33% win rate today, and I would count this as break even, right? My average loss is anywhere from like $3,000 to $5,000. I'm down $600 today, so you guys see the profit factor 0.97. Great start to the month. Tesla wasn't continuing today at all. We're gonna go over that here in a second. Qs, I took a couple of bounces today, which really put me back up. But let's go over the trades that I took today. Now, Tesla downside, we took a couple downside here. We took 423, that broke by a couple cents, right back up. Took a loss there. And plus, I got filled so late on that. Number one. Number two, TOS had a ton of issues today, like a ton of issues today. And it kept freezing, it kept stopping. But I'm glad that we used Dash because I'm able to see the time of sales. So I'm able to see that move as TOS is just not moving at all, which is great. Then we took this downside on Tesla again. I didn't take this one, even though it looks really great. We took it downside again, didn't work. Took it again, didn't work. And this was right here, that 420 literally went, came right back up, stopped us out, went right back down. So it's just one of those days where it kind of just happens like that. Tesla, I mean, the price action has been horrendous recently. So I'm not even surprised, to be honest. It's just been so back and forth. Doesn't really continue. But if you guys saw on Friday, absolute banger day. If you guys saw the day before, absolute banger days. Palantir was absolutely insane. And it's just like when it's working, right? And when the market is allowing us to take these trades, it's beautiful. And when it's slow like this, you just manage it well. If the A plus setup is setting up, I'm gonna get in, no hesitation. It's just playing probabilities here. Friday was really great. Today, very small loss. And you really just move on to the next day. I took a bounce off this 420 when we originally got here. I took a bounce off of that, came right back up into this zone right here, and that's when I sold. So that put me up nice, as well as Q's bounce. Q's bounce was beautiful at this 736. I saw it low day. We were actually going to take this to the downside, but it was way too slow. Plus, TOS was freezing there. So thank goodness we didn't get in there on that fake out. But we came up, and as we came up, we started to hold this area. Once I started seeing this hold this area, that's when I got in. And then I was just holding this for so long. I didn't get out there because the contracts weren't updating and I was just waiting for that to hold a little bit longer. And it just never did. Came right back down. So I was just waiting, came down, came right back up. And then I sold there. Obviously lower position size, but I made around like 40% on that. No drawdown at all because I got in when it was drawing down. And it was beautiful. So that put me back up. And then I took a Tesla walls, put me back down. So it's just kind of just been a back and forth struggle here with my P&L today, which happens, but we just move on to the next day. And I'll see you guys later. Today is actually the last day of the 60% off Vanquish. They actually extended a day. So if you guys want any Vanquish accounts, you guys still have a chance to get it for 60% off. Code Lander, link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.